Welcome to Stop Now, where we share the moments when anger and recklessness behind the wheel. Keep your eyes peeled for 040 because that's when the consequences start to unfold.
Bloody tab lives. Not exactly. Wax frowned. There are beings in this world who are neither human nor colors. Something related to both. You call them the faceless immortals. Contra, Wax said.
No nudge is too soft when driving at high speed. Keeping your distance and controlling your speed are still the rules of survival when driving.
Ich kann Zigarren später mit einer Kerl nicht machen, sicher morgen Zigarren. Whoa! Whoa!
The incident that took place on May 13 in Poland caused serious damage to the railway industry, and all because a bus driver ignored a barrier signal. The incident happened in Union City, California, when a Tesla Model 3's onboard camera captured the entirety of a road rage pileup. The driver of the Ford SUV fled the scene, but thanks to TeslaCam, the entire moment was captured. Once again, technology isn't just helping drivers, it's helping to protect truth and justice.
Hey.
I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry.
Not everywhere forgives thoughtlessness, and she learned that lesson the way the law works.
Talk.
And that's why you shouldn't change lanes suddenly. In this case, the turn signal and warning lights are also not turned on.
看见了，黑行那个小车一过去，
喜欢那小车啊。
哦，你看到错轨了，
赶紧换了吧。
你看白车一过，
喜欢知道
小车，你看小白车一过，
知道个协调的，我说把我妈没堵车。
哎呀，你看个多大的发了
啊，缺他。
哎呀。
A sudden landslide caused the coal truck to overturn, spilling coal onto the road. What is worth mentioning is that a white car had just escaped the landslide just seconds before.
没事儿，他就是把血倒了，不是血的犯了。没在地，血的。
这更这不行。
看上去了大塌糊，后头那个是车上里头压了2个小车。
拉咋？底下压住2个小车噻，里头不知道有几个人噻，杆不行了，这完蛋了咋？
Go back! I haven't got reverse, you fucking moron! What, you expect me to roll backwards? You literally expecting me to roll backwards, look. To where? Where can I go? Let's just see where I can go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why don't you just move backwards?
No, I'm not moving back.
What?
I'm not moving back.
In this case, the BMW driver could have reversed or the biker could have reversed, but they chose to complicate it.
Because your camera.
Yeah, it's in 4K as well.
Yeah, whatever, man. 400 each, man.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I got that, mate. Yeah.
On the highway, any careless behavior can make others pay the price. Keeping your distance and staying on the right side of the road is your responsibility to yourself and everyone around you. If you are driving in a parked area, always slow down to less than 25 miles per hour. Keep at least 2 seconds of distance from the car in front of you and keep your foot close to the brake pedal when cornering. Why do some drivers choose to do this just to prove themselves right? I stopped to let the pedestrian pass. The truck behind me refused to wait. After a few honks and a few seconds of impatience, this was the end.
And you know, I thought it would go up higher in like Weber.
The driver responsible for the incident has been arrested. This story reminds us not to try to save seconds by running a red light.
You have reached 911.
Tesla's dash cam captured the scene. When driving through construction areas or areas with signs of poor road conditions, slow down and avoid long stops. Never gamble with nature and deteriorating infrastructure. 16. The incident in Barra Mar Norte lasted only a few minutes, but the action was a testament to emotions that got out of control. The police did not file a report, but the cameras recorded the entire thing. The incident occurred on the Tappan Zee Bridge in New York City. A truck suspension suddenly failed, causing damage to 5 vehicles. Miraculously, no one was injured. Hours later, in more than 5,000... On May 7th, a collision occurred while the rider was on his way home after work. Thanks to wearing full protective gear, including a backpack, the rider is fine and is recovering well. The motorcycle is structurally intact.
Our traffic light was out. Going through it. That was not your ship. Son of a... Jesus! Son of a...
Hope you learned something from this. Watch the light.
What? God.
You handled that really well.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
15 kilometers west of Barmera, a driver who had fallen asleep at the wheel and fled the scene was quickly tracked down by police. Thanks to new point-to-point CCTV cameras near Waikiri, the suspect was arrested the following day.
Ты ебать, да. И съебался, да? Не, вон стоит. Нихера.
Давай телефон оставим, у меня записался.
Жесть.
Тебе скажи. Ну, в смысле, что, если регистратор нужен?
Aw. Everything is expensive these days. But maybe that's a significant repair.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The trunk showed no signs of being popped open, so where did the bike come from?
E-commerce. And so about a year ago, we started, well, I didn't know that. The reason why
Earlier today, a red light runner incident occurred, highlighting the unpredictability of driving. What are people doing to not realize there is a red light?
Holy. Oh my God. That ain't him.
Oh yeah, they don't got plates. Not look. He's gonna get one donuts. Go get it, Gary.
Have you ever seen a Lamborghini running away from the police, especially in broad daylight?
Oh la vache! Arrête-toi, arrête-toi, arrête-toi. Là, là.
Driving at high speeds may give you a sudden rush of excitement, but driving on public roads is actually a mistake.
He said it was off.
He did?
Yeah.
But this guy on the left is going to have to go around.
Yep, I know.
When you have to redline it to get up to the speed of traffic. Smoking a Shimis while hitting VTEC is always a recipe for disaster.
Oh, my neck, son. My neck.
Why slow down for green?
Alright. Okay. Yeah.
Oh! Please say a command after the...
I came home and my house was spotless. I asked the man in my kitchen, who are you and what is your husband?
You see that? That little echo car that just hit the school bus. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what she's gonna do or what they're gonna do, but they just crashed against each other. I'm gonna send the videos.
Thank you for watching Stop Now's videos, where every situation is a reminder. Be careful before it's too late. Don't forget to subscribe if you believe calmness is the most important thing to bring when getting in the car. Warning: what you just watched shows how quickly things can go wrong. These incidents are not rare. They're the result of ordinary people making split-second mistakes. We share them not for shock, but to raise awareness and promote safer driving. If you want to keep watching, there are two options here. The videos on the left are recommended based on your views. And don't forget, you can subscribe for free by clicking the red button below.